Some friendships feel like family. They grow with you, eat with you, laugh with you, and sometimes they're the reason you break. This is the story of Nabin and Rohit, two friends from a quiet Indian village. Nabin was kind, generous, and sincere. Rohit was mischievous, restless, and full of charm. Before the story begins, hit subscribe and stay till the end, because what you're about to hear might just change the way you see loyalty, trust, and friendship. Watch it slowly. Feel every word. This isn't just a story. It's a mirror. The two friends were inseparable. When Rohit got into trouble, Nabin said sorry for him. When Rohit broke rules, Nabin fixed them. People warned him, "He'll get you in trouble one day." But Nabin just smiled and said, "He's not bad, he just needs someone to believe in him." That was his first mistake, thinking love can fix what truth should face. Years passed. One day, Nabin's family business collapsed. Their shop closed. Their savings vanished. His father sat in silence for hours. His mother prayed with tears in her eyes. That night, Rohit said softly, "Don't worry, Nabin. I have a plan. Trust me." And Nabin, loyal as always, followed. Rohit led him to the house of the richest man in the village. "Why are we here?" Nabin whispered. Rohit smiled. "Because this man has what you need." He slipped through a window. Nabin hesitated. "Did you ask permission?" Rohit looked at the shining gold and then at Nabin's trembling face. "Relax," he whispered. "We're not stealing." Nabin shook his head, panic rising. "Rohit, this is wrong." Rohit sighed and stepped closer. "You really think I'd do something to harm you?" he said softly. "Look at your father, Nabin. Do you remember his eyes last night when he couldn't feed your mother? You think I can watch that and do nothing?" Nabin swallowed hard. His mind said no, but his heart ached. Rohit's voice grew gentler, more persuasive. "This isn't theft. It's help. We'll return it when things are better. I swear on our friendship. Don't you want to see your father smile again?" The words hit deeper than any threat. Nabin looked at the gold, then at Rohit, then back at the empty hope in his chest. He nodded slowly. "It didn't happen out of greed. It happened the way it always does. When you've known someone for so long, you stop questioning them. When friendship turns into faith, and faith turns into blindness." As they left, the old man saw them from his window. The police were called. Siren echoes filled the night. Rohit and Nabin ran, through fields, through mud, into the forest. Nabin's legs moved, but his heart was frozen. He didn't know where he was running. Realized that he was now running from himself. They reached the river. A small wooden boat floated nearby. Rohit jumped in first. "Throw me the bag," he shouted. Nabin threw the bag of gold. But as soon as it landed, Rohit started the boat and smiled, a cruel, quiet smile. He waved once and sailed away. Nabin stood frozen. He couldn't believe what just happened. His best friend, the boy he grew up with, was now sailing away, with the gold, with the lie, with his trust. The river shimmered like glass. For a moment, he saw his reflection. A kind face that suddenly looked like a stranger. Then, lights flashed in the distance. Police boats. Rohit turned, startled. He tried to row faster. But the boat tilted under panic and weight. Within minutes, the officers reached him. The gold was found. Rohit was handcuffed, caught in the very plan he created. From the shore, Nabin watched silently. His hands shook. If he had stepped into that boat, his life would have ended there too. He dropped to his knees, his tears mixing with the river water, grateful, guilty, and broken all at once. Days turned into months. Nabin never went near that river again. He returned home, quieter, humbler. He started working honestly again, rebuilding his family's life one small step at a time. But something inside him had changed forever. He often told the children of the village, "If someone you love asks you to do wrong, don't prove your loyalty by saying yes. Prove your strength by walking away." It's not easy to say no to the people you love, especially when you've shared childhood, dreams, and trust. But sometimes, the ones who lead you astray won't look like enemies, they'll look like friends. Blind loyalty doesn't make you good, it just makes you lost. Rohit didn't ruin Nabin's life. He revealed what happens when kindness forgets wisdom. If you stay too long beside the wrong people, you start losing sight of who you are. And one day, you'll look in the mirror and see a stranger wearing your face. So when someone you love pushes you toward something wrong, have the courage to stop. Because real friendship never asks you to betray yourself. Loyalty is beautiful, but only when it's guided by truth. Because blind loyalty can break you, but choosing what's right will always rebuild you.